Imagine you want to know how a watch works. You wouldn't just look at the front, right? You'd open it up to see all the little gears and springs inside. Particle accelerators are like giant microscopes that do the same thing for the universe. They let us look at the smallest pieces of everything. These powerful machines smash tiny particles together super fast, almost as fast as light. When these particles crash, they break into even smaller bits. By studying these tiny bits, physicists learn about the rules of nature. These discoveries are super important. From medical scans to fighting cancer, the technology from particle physics has changed lots of things. Even the internet was invented at CERN, the home of the biggest particle smasher. Particle accelerators help us unlock the secrets of the universe and create new technology that helps everyone. The Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, is the biggest and most powerful particle accelerator in the world. It's near Geneva, Switzerland, and it's a 17-mile-long ring buried underground. Inside, tiny particles called protons race around in circles, going opposite ways, guided by strong magnets. These protons crash into each other at almost the speed of light, creating a shower of new particles. One of the LHC's biggest discoveries was the Higgs boson in 2012. The Higgs boson is a tiny particle that gives other particles their weight. Finding it was a huge step in understanding the universe. Today the LHC is still exploring the mysteries of physics. One big mystery is dark matter. Dark matter is invisible stuff that makes up most of the matter in the universe. We can't see it, but we know it's there because of how it pulls on things we can see. Scientists at the LHC are looking for clues about dark matter in the particle crashes. They hope to learn more about this mysterious stuff. The LHC also helps us study quarks and gluons. Quarks are tiny particles that make up bigger particles like protons and neutrons. Gluons are like glue that holds quarks together. The LHC lets scientists see how quarks and gluons interact. By smashing protons together, they can create something called quark-gluon plasma, which is what scientists think the universe was like right after the Big Bang. Studying this helps us understand the early universe and how matter behaves. The LHC is the most powerful particle accelerator, but it's not the only one. There are lots of others all over the world, each with its own special job. Some are small, some are huge. They use different particles and speeds, letting scientists study all sorts of things. The Relativistic Heavy Ion Collider, or RHIC, is in New York. It's a powerful accelerator that smashes heavy particles together at super speed. These crashes create super hot and dense matter, like what existed right after the Big Bang. By studying this, scientists hope to learn about the early universe. RHIC even created quark-gluon plasma, which tells us about the tiny building blocks of matter. In Japan, the Super KEKB accelerator studies antimatter. Antimatter is like the opposite of matter. Super KEKB smashes electrons and their opposites, positrons, together. This creates particles called B-mesons. Studying these helps scientists understand why the universe is made of mostly matter and not antimatter. Particle physics is always changing, with new discoveries and technology. Future particle accelerators will be even more powerful, letting us explore even deeper into the universe. There are plans for even bigger accelerators like the Future Circular Collider and the Circular Electron-Positron Collider. These could help us find new particles and forces that could change how we understand everything. Trying to understand the universe shows how curious and clever humans are. Particle accelerators, which can recreate the beginning of the universe, are important tools. As these machines get more powerful, we can expect even more amazing discoveries that will help us understand the universe and our place in it. Exploring the tiniest parts of matter is like exploring the unknown, and with every step, we learn more about the universe and the amazing possibilities of human discovery.